My name is Martin Crooke. I'm a partner at Kilby Accountants. So the main pain points for us were the low speed. It meant that when people were in the office working or working from home trying to remote connect, it meant their connection was very slow, and it meant that it took them a long time to do things that you'd hope it would be a lot quicker to do, which is very frustrating from my perspective. Our requirements for this project were we were on a standard telephone line, and we were aware that was no longer going to be usable, and we needed to upgrade to an internet-based system. So getting in touch with Shivani, she was able to provide this solution to allow us to transfer over and start using the more modernised system. What I really liked about working for ACS was the engagement with Shivani and the wider team. If ever I had a problem, Shivani was there to help out. It wasn't just a case of responding to problems, she was very forthcoming with offering support. The pricing was very competitive as well, and it was just an all-round very easy process and an enjoyable process as well.
I'm Shivani from ACS Office Solutions. I am a communications sales consultant, and we are the Northampton CityFibre City Champions. After joining ACS, I knew that I needed to meet with Martin after some previous discussions about a communications project. So we put in some time in the diary, we set aside a couple of hours, we met with one of the partners, and we sat down to discuss the requirements that were needed just to move Kilby Fox into a more future-proof and reliable solution. After proposing and agreeing to the project, we went ahead and we sent over to our coordinating team, who were great at implementation. They take charge of all the processing. We had completion, I believe, within about 6 weeks, which was, in our eyes, a good enough time frame.
I'm James Cushing. I'm City Manager at CityFibre, and I look after the build and deployment in Northampton. So at CityFibre, we're the UK's largest alternative infrastructure provider for telecommunications, and we've been providing a full fibre network in Northampton for a number of years now. We've been working to deliver a business metro network, which in effect is providing and empowering the businesses in Northampton, and more recently we've been deploying a groundbreaking fibre to the home product, where we'll be bringing gigabit speeds, the best connectivity in Northampton to residents and businesses, and we're making a huge amount of progress with that.
During the process, we encountered a few problems that ACS were able to help us out with. The initial challenge was to get buy-in from everyone that this was something that needed to happen. Shivani was very good at convincing and explaining the benefits of transferring over. The next problem probably came with the staff. Obviously, training people to use a new system in a firm perhaps as established as ours is quite difficult. There's often a lot of resistance and people don't like change. So having the team on hand to answer any questions and provide in-house training when we needed it was really useful. I think there were some other hardware challenges that arose, and the team it sorted them out immediately as well, so it was really good service. Yeah, we were really happy with the outcome. It just so happened that it timed with lockdown and working from home, which was a blessing, because it meant that our connectivity was strong enough that people could be remote connecting to our server without any kind of downtime, without any delays. So that was a real blessing. Moving forward, yeah, we're going to continue to work with ACS and perhaps got some other projects that they can help us out with as well. So yeah, really looking forward and excited for the future.